the Kangaroo and the Consequences of Procrastination. One morning, Mona's mom asked her to fix the torn wall of their house after the rain. Later, Mom, said Mona, yawning. Hoodie and Toto, who were passing by, advised her, Mona, it's better to finish it now before it rains again. But Mona just laughed and continued relaxing. There's still plenty of time, she thought, playing under the tree instead of doing her task. The next day, all the forest animals worked together to strengthen the dam to hold back the water during the rainy season. Mona, come help us, called Bambi the lion. Later, I want to play first, replied Mona. There was a part of the dam she was supposed to fix, but she ignored it. Toto the wise turtle sighed, Mona, if you don't do it now, it could be dangerous. But Mona kept playing in. That afternoon, Mona was tasked with locking the forest food storage. I need to lock it to keep it safe, she thought. But when she saw a beautiful butterfly, she forgot everything. I'll do it later, she said, chasing the butterfly. Hoodie, who was passing by, reminded her, Mona, don't forget to lock the storage. But Mona was too busy playing and forgot to lock it. That night, heavy rain came. The dam, which wasn't properly repaired, broke, and a flood swept through the forest. Mona's house, with its torn wall, was washed away. The food storage was left open, and all the supplies were swept away. Mona cried, this is all my fault. Hoodie, Bambi, and Toto tried to calm her. We need to act quickly, said Toto firmly. The next day, Mona apologized to all the forest animals. I promise I won't procrastinate anymore, she said firmly. Together with her friends, Mona worked hard to repair the dam, rebuild her house, and gather food. Hoodie the duck said, we all learn from mistakes, Mona. What's important is that you've changed. Mona smiled, relieved, and learned that procrastinating only makes problems worse. Moral of the story is, don't delay your tasks, as it can lead to big problems. Learn from your mistakes and take responsibility so you don't harm yourself or others.